Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this portable monitor from UPERFECT. It's the Unify F2. A friend of mine bought this monitor and gave me opportunity to make a review. So here it is. So this is the website from the brand where you can read all about it. I will leave in the video description, and it will be also passing through the screen the main features of this monitor. But I can tell you, so this is a full HD IPS HDR portable display. The size it's 17.3 inch, resolution 1920 by 1080, IPS A-grade, 178 degrees full viewing angle, built-in adaptive sync, HDR, 3 milliseconds response time, immersive gaming experience, 60 Hz refresh rate, 800:1 contrast ratio, 100% RGB color gamut, and blue light protection. Okay, so a lot more we can read. So slim and frameless. So the bezel it's really thin. So and also the monitor it's really slim. You will see it's a piece of art. It's aluminum. Okay, easy connection, so we can connect HDMI or USB-C. Doesn't have touch, so you cannot use it as an iPad or a touch screen. Also doesn't have a battery, so we have to use always the power source, okay, the power adapter. So this is what comes inside the box: the two USB cables and the power supply, and that was the monitor itself. Okay, so here an overview, a quick view on the power supply, and this is the amazing, beautiful portable monitor. I can tell you the design is really nice, the build quality, everything looks amazing. Okay, so you get connections on the left side, so two USB-C and one mini HDMI, and you can see how thin and frameless this monitor is. So it's really nice. Okay, so we can adjust the angle in several positions with no effort. It works really well. Okay, so here at the bottom there are some rubber feet, and at the top it's really slim. Okay, really nice. Also on the back there are two screw mounts if you plan to use it fixed instead of portable. Okay, so on the other side we have the sound output OTG, the command for control the monitor, and power on and power off. Okay, I will explain this button on the right in more detail. Okay, once again the rubber feet, and here the monitor with the chin below, also not so big as in other models, and now connected by USB-C, and it works really well. So remember, the resolution is 1080p. This version is not 4K. Also no touch available. And let's test some videos to have an overview on the quality of colors and also sound. So it comes with the dual 1-watt speakers. There's not more space to fit bigger speakers, so you cannot expect better sound quality from it. Okay, so if you have an opportunity to put the sound coming from a Bluetooth device, it will be probably better. Okay, so this is the quality. I think it's really good. So I will be comparing with other monitors on my table, as you can see, and I can tell you the colors are really nice. I think the HDR, it's really pushing and giving good color saturation. And as you can see, as this is an IPS panel, we can see from the sides with good quality despite the viewing angle. Okay, so really nice. So now I'm going to show you how we can adjust the settings on the display. So my hand is on the right side touching the button, so, and moving up or down, and then push to go inside. We can change all the settings from picture, audio, other settings, input source, because we can use HDMI or USB-C. Okay, really nice, not heavy at all. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so now side by side with a recent HP laptop, and we can compare the color accuracy. So I think that HP should be using a nice IPS screen on the left, and it's not working with the power cord connection, so it's working on battery. Probably the brightness, it's not at 100%, but I can say that the color, it's really close one from the other. And as you can see, the quality is really nice. Okay, so I didn't get paid to tell you that I'm liking this monitor. The monitor is not even mine, but I really like the quality and the possibilities that come with portability. So if we have to move, if we have work, if you are working at home, you can change from your bedroom to your living room to the kitchen, wherever you want to go. If you have a laptop with USB-C connection, you can connect directly, also with HDMI. But don't forget, this monitor doesn't have a battery included, so you will have always to connect the power supply. Okay, it can work with a portable battery, but it needs above 5 volts 2 amperes to be able to display, and otherwise it will not work. Okay, so remember that. You can read more about it in the manufacturer website that I will be leaving the link in the video description. So as you can see, it's all now connected with my desktop, and it was working with Mac. This is a Macintosh. Now let's put in Windows. And okay, so it's now working with as a second or a primary monitor, and it works really well. The color quality, it's really good, really good. Okay, so if you want to see all the other monitors I have here on my table, I have review for all of them. The one on the right that is on vertical, it's a gaming monitor. I have a review on my channel. Also on the left, the bigger one, the widescreen, it's also reviewed. And I think also the other one, the LG, the smaller one that is turned off, also have a review. Okay, so Windows working perfectly. So it works with every system. So every device that have a HDMI output, you can connect. So you can connect to a PS3, a PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Raspberry Pi, whatever. If you have an HDMI output, you can connect this laptop. What makes it ideal to travel. Okay, so now I'm running Ubuntu from this hub with an SSD inside. Also, if you want to watch a video about that USB hub with an SSD inside, there is a video review about it. Okay, so really nice, working as a second display with Ubuntu, and now in another laptop with Windows 11, working really well, as you can see. And if this can increase your productivity, for instance, you can use Word in one screen, Excel in the other, and it works really well. Okay, and if you plan to use it like this, if you want to close the lid of your laptop and continue to have the portable screen on, we have to change something in Windows for when you close the lid, for the computer to not go in hibernation. Okay, so I will explain really quickly how to do that for the people that don't know how to do it. So just search lid, and when I close the lid on power, do nothing. Okay, and then when you select that, and if you close the lid, it will not turn off the monitor. What else didn't I tell you? Okay, so this is also available in Amazon, and you know that Amazon sometimes drops the price, and my friend got it for $360 with free delivery, so it was a good business, and I think he will be really happy with this device. Now this is Manjaro, and it was working already. Also, it was already on the right, so I didn't have to change anything. So, and as you can see, there is different color now. So on the right I can see more green, and on the left more blue. Okay, but it works really well. So, and the size, oh, look at this, really nice and portable. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe for more videos, and if you think that this video was good, leave it a like for more people to watch it. Okay, so the only thing that I didn't like is this. It is really difficult to avoid this. Okay, so this was the video I made for you. Hope you like it. Catch you on a new one. Bye bye.